In this lesson, you will learn some everyday words that you can use in conversations. Sì means yes. Please repeat after me. Sì. Sì. No means no. Please repeat after me. No. No. Grazie means thank you. Please repeat after me. Grazie. Grazie. Prego means you're welcome. Please repeat after me. Prego. Prego. Scusa means excuse me or sorry. Please repeat after me. Scusa. Scusa. Per favore means please. Please repeat after me. Per favore. Per favore. Now, let's try something more challenging, eh? Puoi ripetere? Which means, can you repeat? Here, puoi means, can you? Ripetere means, repeat. Please repeat after me. Puoi ripetere? Puoi ripetere? Of course, you can be more polite by saying per favore, puoi ripetere? Which means, please, can you repeat? Cosa è questo? Which means, what is this? Cosa means what. È means is. Questo means this. Please repeat after me. Cosa è questo? Cosa è questo? One more. Cosa è quello? Which means, what is that? Here, cosa means what. È means is. Quello means that. Please repeat after me. Cosa è quello? Cosa è quello? As you know, to learn a new language, the best way to improve your vocabulary is by asking questions. So, if you wanted to learn a new word, you would ask: come si dice questo in italiano? Which means, how do you say this in Italian? Now, the literal translation is come, which means how. Si dice, which means it is said. Questo, which means this. In italiano, which means in Italian. I will say it slowly. Come si dice questo in italiano? Please repeat after me. Come si dice questo in italiano? Come Si dice questo in italiano.